Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 4th March 21. It's a day 1 and we are starting 7th week today. And if I'm talking about my yesterday position, I made a profit of almost 24,000 in that position, and now I'm squaring off that position. And if I'm talking about the market, Sensex is down by almost 600 point, almost 1.25%, and India VIX is up by almost 5%, which is not a good sign for the market, but it is very good for my last position. And because I wanted that the market should go down today, and Bank Nifty is down by almost 750 point, and Nifty 50 is down by almost 200 point. So right now it's almost 10:30 and I think I should wait because the vol is very high. So I should wait for some time and then I will make another position. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. And one more thing, guys, I do not comment on the full video. I comment when I make or squaring off my position. So please watch the full video so you can understand why I make a position or why I'm squaring off my position. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. It's almost 1:15 and I have made the position where I bought 36,000 call 2 lot, 37 and sold 37,000 call 5 lot and 38,000 call 3 lot bought. So that is the ratio butterfly, and the ratio is 1, 2.5, 1.5. In that position I can make 50,000 and I can lose 25,000. So 1:2, that's my trading strategy. And if I'm talking about the market, Sensex is down by almost 290 point, and right side you can see in the right side window, and India VIX is down up by almost 6%, and Bank Nifty is down by almost 250 point, and Nifty 50 is down by almost 90 point. So vol is very high, so I don't think I should do any other thing. So I think I should carry that position for tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. So please keep watching. Thank you so much.